Hi, I'm Tina from Beaushe Salon, located in lovely Dana Point, California. Next, I'm going to be going over my volumizing conditioner. You're going to love it. It's amazing. What makes a volumizing conditioner? It's not weighted. It's a very light conditioner, but it hydrates the hair. That's what I love about this conditioner. It's a detangler. It helps the brush slip through the blow dryer when you go to blow dry the hair. It's a really beautiful product. So here we go. So with conditioners, again, I recommend for her length hair about size of a nickel. So it's a luxurious product and you want to emulsify, and always from the chin down. I always recommend, because aged hair is from the chin down. So I always recommend for everyone to keep a wet brush. I love these wet brushes. A wet brush in the shower. So you're gonna comb it through to make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the hair. Do you do this at home, Rachel?
No, but I'm going to now.
Okay. So we're gonna comb before, we can hop in the shower, 2 shampoos. And see, that's just enough product. Any more, it would be a waste. Okay. And then we're gonna rinse. And our hair feels nice, it feels hydrated, it doesn't feel weighted. It gives shine, it gives strength to the hair. And just so you know, all of our products are for color treated hair, because you can have fine hair and need the volume. Because a heavier shampoo on fine hair will just make it look too flat and too heavy feeling. That's why I love our Beaushe volume line. So our next step is I'm going to put a towel on her hair and we're gonna walk back to my chair and I'm gonna show you how to use our Root Boost and Volume Mousse. Let's go. To purchase the products featured in this video and more, please visit our online store at beaushesalon.com and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.